In this video, we take a look at the long tail cast on. Stay with me and I'll show you how. The long tail cast on gives us a bit of stretch, so it's a good cast on for doing cuffs or collars or any other place where you might need a bit of give. So let's get started. Because we're using the tail end of our yarn to cast on, we need to figure out how much we're going to need, and there's a very simple way to do this. So we leave ourselves a little bit of a tail, and we take our needle, and we begin to wind our yarn around the needle. We wind the yarn around for however many stitches we want. For example, if we want to cast on 10 stitches, we wind the yarn around 10 times. And then we leave a couple of inches of yarn for a little bit of wiggle room, and we take the yarn off the needle. And this is where we make our slip knot. We make a loop with the tail end of the yarn underneath the working yarn. We reach through the loop and grab hold of the working yarn and pull it through. This counts as our first stitch. We then have our working yarn and our tail yarn. We keep our tail yarn in the front. We bring thumb and forefinger in between these two pieces of yarn, with the working yarn over the forefinger and the tail yarn over the thumb, and then we grab hold of both ends lower down. We take our needle and we come to this loop over our thumb. We come underneath and pick up that loop. We then pick up the loop over our forefinger and pull that through the loop on our thumb. We pull that snug, and our first long tail cast on is done. Again, keeping hold of our yarn, with our tail end looped over our thumb, and our working end over the forefinger. We take our needle, we come down below this loop on our thumb and pick that up. We come back to the loop on our forefinger, pick that up, and pull it through the loop on our thumb, and pull snug. Keeping hold of our yarn, with our tail end looped over our thumb and our working end over the forefinger, we come down below the loop on our thumb, pick it up. We come to the loop on our forefinger, pick it up, pull it through the loop on our thumb, and pull snug. Come underneath and pick up the loop on our thumb. Scoop up the loop on our forefinger. Pull it back through the loop on our thumb. And pull snug. Pick up the loop on our thumb. Pick up the loop on our forefinger. Pull it back through the loop on our thumb. And pull snug. Pick up the loop on our thumb, pick up the loop on our forefinger, pull back through the loop on our thumb, and pull snug. Pick up the loop on our thumb, pick up the loop on our forefinger, pull it through, and pull snug. Pick up the loop on our thumb, pick up the loop on our forefinger, pull it through, and pull snug. Pick up the loop on our thumb, pick up the loop on our forefinger, pull it through, and pull snug. Keep going until you have your desired number of stitches, and that's how to do the long tail cast on.